Alright guys, so this is our third video. Now we are going to talk about this side. Okay. Now in order to actually set up this side, okay, which is your one and second setup, which you're in the in climbing in the middle somewhere, and you actually be laying someone below you to pull those person up. Okay, in order to do that, you would need two additional carabiners to make this work. Okay, so in the first video we talk about the rope, that your feeding rope will be an inner, which is towards the feet, and then your other rope, which is a climber, because your climber is below this device, right? So again, same thing. We're going to keep the my feeding rope on the right side, okay, and we're going to make a loop, and we're going to feed this in again, and we'll come to all the way to here, to that little dynamic hole. Take the carabiners, stick it in. Alright, now it's there. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is make sure that you're anchoring your device. Okay, so this is my feeding rope, and this is the climber. Okay, so traditionally that's how it's going to happen. Is person is climbing up, you're trying to take the slack, or either way. Okay, so right now it's very smooth. Now when the person falls, the weights of these kicks. See, when that happens, you're holding the rope, and this pushes in the rope. So essentially this is like the pedal reverso, where it automatically locks your rope, and since you're holding, okay, so it would be something like this, and that locks right in your V. Okay, so when that happens, you have a lot of tension. Okay, you have a lot of tension, and you're not able to do anything, but you need to repel that person. That's where the third carabiner comes in. What you do is you're going to use this hole right here, okay, and you wanted to do a perpendicular to other carabiners. Now this basically give you leverage. Okay, so essentially you are going to do is you're going to go like this, and then you're taking the tension off this point where your braking part is loosen up, and you're back to release, repel that person slowly. Again, if you let it go, it kicks this way, the brake kicks in, and the person stays solid. Again, you pull it up, then you can start feeding down, and you can repel that person. And that's how it's going to work. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this one out and take this one out, and I think we are done with the function of both sides. Now I'm just going to do a real quick comparison. This is my other carabiner I have. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to slide in. Locked in. I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to show you that even this just works fine. I locked it fine. Okay. Now you're dynamic. As long as you are in here, you can. Okay. Very good. It works. I found this particular one's, it's a little stubborn. Okay, and I think because it's the angle of the units, and I think this is a lot bigger and this is a lot thinner. That's the reason why, how smooth it is. So I wouldn't say that you can't use your old carabiners, but give it a try. If you like it, you can go ahead and use whatever. But other than that, go ahead and keep using the carabiner that came with it. It'd be a lot smooth. Okay. Well, um, this is the end of Alpine Up review, and if you have any questions, let us know.